Good morning. My day started in a different manner. I was sleeping. It was around 8:30, 9 o'clock. I guess my husband came and told me to wake up, saying that the cops are come at the door. I came down and there was PSI Karishma, a lady police which was been sent. There was one male police and there was one CID who had come. आणि हांवें क्वेश्चन केल्यार म्हाका नोटीस सर्व करपाक आयल्या म्हणून सांगलें तेणी आनी नोटीस ऑन वॉट बेजीस म्हणून विचारल्यार बाय करिश्मा सांगता दीस नोटीस इज नॉट सेंड बाय द पुलीस स्टेशन मायना कुर्तोरी वी आर कम फ्रॉम मायना कुर्तोरी पुलीस स्टेशन म्हणपालें दीस नोटीस इज नॉट कम वी हॅव नॉट गॉट इट दीस इज सेंड बाय द मॅजिस्ट्रेट म्हणपालें I went to the notice. The notice, there were like sections which were imposed on me. The notice is for me, section 143, violation of law. Then there was section I guess 169 or 189. That was, I think, another section for violating law during the COVID norm. So I don't know. And it's section 269. Section 269, I guess, spreading disease. Well, I have refused to take the notice and it's on record and I'm admitting it की हांवें परत सांगलां वेन हांव गेल्लें एक सिंबॉलीक प्रोटेस्ट म्हणून गेल्लें केक घेवन आनी इट वॉज नॉट ओनली प्रतिमा कुतिनो देर वर another 8 to 10 of us and we had gone maintaining social distancing. The press, the media brothers were there and the whole world today have seen who came barging on us. It was Babashan's wife, the MLA of Nuem, Babashan's wife, Frida Disa, came barging with a mob of more than 70-80 people and the whole Goa has witnessed. Words, bad words with all essential ingredients like tomatoes and tatia and cake and chappal, even chappal म्हजेर मारल्या हांवें खंयचोच सेक्शन वायलेट करून ना केल्ले जाल्यार चप्पलांचो हार समज हांव घेवन गेल्लें बाबाशनाक जाल्यार कितेंय करपाक जातालें हांव एक केक घेवन गेल्लें ताजें तोंड गोड करपाक आतां म्हाका कांयच कळना तो वेदर ही इज हॅपी or is head, whether he is happy or sad, or whether he is having reservations on the decision that he was elected on the Congress and he has ditched the mandate and gone to BJP defection. So I don't know what insecurities. तो फिलिप नेरी कितेंय जावन तो MLA कोण वेलीचो तेणे वयल्यान केक चाटून बिटून थँक्यू लवली केक बीन म्हणलें सो तुका कांयच नाशिल्लें एंड वी हॅड नॉट कम टू युअर हावस तुजें इन्सिडेंटली तुजें घर इज ऑपोजीट युअर ऑफिस माय कार it stopped. See the video, the white I-20 which belongs to me. I got down from the car with the cake and I was just going to head towards the office but the mob came. हांचेर कित्याक नोटिसीस सर्व करूं ना तुमी प्रतिमाच्या घरा कडेन सकाळी फुडें आयला दिस इज अ हॅरेसमेंट डन बाय द BJP. हेज्या पयले अशेच नोटिसी आयल्या हांवें नोटीस रिसीव करून कोर्टांत हांवूच गेलां बेल हांवेंच घेतल्या 10 फावटी म्हाकाच फावटी मारपाक पडल्या बेलाचे पयशे म्हज्या बोल्सांतल्यान घेया. सो इनफ इज इनफ प्रमोद सावंत. You are doing this to suppress my voice. You are doing that to strangulate my voice. I have told I'm here for my Goa and Goans. हेज्या पयले खूब केसीस घेतल्या. I will not shy away. My fight will continue. The more you try to suppress me, the more I will bounce back and I will fight for the people. Notice घेतले तुम्ही? कांयच हांवें नोटीस घेवन हांवें नोटीस रिफ्यूज केल्या. हांवें तांकां सांगलां कित्याक I term it as a illegal notice. Those are all formalities. So I will not accept the notice and let the magistrate, honorable magistrate, do what he wants to do. Let the Home Minister, that is Pramod Sawant, do what he wants to do. They were good.